Hey, if you cannot connect your Bluetooth device into the POCO X8 Pro, let me show you a few tips how you can fix this. First of all, open the settings, go for the Bluetooth, and first of all, I can recommend you to check for the new Bluetooth version. You can just simply update this. Here you can find information about the update, version, size, and some specific information like added support for more earphone models. So for example, your earphones or headphones cannot be supported, but after this update, it will start working. So we have to click on this update button, wait until it updates, and now as you can see, you will have to just simply restart your phone. But for me later, I'm just gonna show you how to actually fix some other problems. And by the way, if you don't have this Bluetooth version over here, you will have to just restart your phone. For me, it's also sometimes not available. It's probably some kind of the system problem in this device, but that's what you have to do. Next, if it is not working, what I can also recommend you is just to go to the additional settings. Now, scroll into the reset option that should be available somewhere here. Okay, we don't have this here, so we can just do this in another way. We can just go here and input reset phrase. Now, go for this one. It's actually in the more connectivity options. And as you can see here, we have to reset all network settings. Unfortunately, it's gonna also reset your Wi-Fi and the mobile data. So for the Wi-Fi, you will have to just connect back into all of your devices, but it's really useful. Often it helps a lot of problems. But let's say it's still not working. So what you can also do, you can just perform a reset of your Bluetooth device. So in the most cases, you have to click and hold a pairing button and wait until indicator of your device starts blinking with the red color. Sometimes it will blink with a red, blue, and the green, so it actually depends of your model, but that's what you can do. You can also try to connect your device into other device. Your audio Bluetooth device into other phone, PC, or for example TV. And if you can connect with other devices, it means that the problem still appears on the POCO X8 Pro. So what you can also do, you can just simply scroll down and go for the additional settings, and you can try to update software. So not here, another mistake. We have to go for about phone, and when there will be a new update, you can just click here, and when will be the new update, you can just find this information over here and simply download it. It often fixes a lot of problems. For example, here you can find some system optimization and some interconnectivity. And if it is still not working, then I can recommend you to simply restart the Bluetooth settings. So it's actually quite simple. By clicking here, you can turn it off or turn it on. And also, by the way, make sure that your Bluetooth device is not currently connected with some other devices. And you can also try if your device doesn't actually appear on the Bluetooth block list for some reason. And this is all my tips for this one. Let me know if it works. Thanks for watching.